Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make UV-resistant stickers full guide. Start by gathering materials and planning a simple test print to validate durability. I will walk you through selecting inks, papers, and laminates, explain print settings, and describe sealing techniques to block UV and moisture. Follow these steps at your own pace and test outdoors to confirm results before any large production. Collect pigment or solvent inks, a UV-blocking laminate, and a compatible printer or print service. Prepare sticker stock and ensure a dust-free workspace for clean adhesion. I'll explain curing times, recommended laminates, and substrate compatibility so your stickers resist fading and peeling. Small sample tests will help you dial in settings and confirm color fidelity before making a large batch. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and give the video a like so I can keep making more useful content. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. They're comfy and built to last, kind of like a great UV laminate for your stickers. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Set your printer to high quality and use color profiles suited for your ink and paper. After printing, allow full curing, then apply a laminate or clear UV varnish with a smooth, careful technique. I'll cover lamination types, application tips, and alternatives like spray coatings so you can choose the best protection level for durability, gloss preference, and outdoor lifespan.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.